In this video today, I will show you how to fix the schedule post option not showing on Facebook. See, this post doesn't show any schedule options. Please don't skip this video, follow my method step by step. First, check if your Facebook app is updated. If there is no update, update it from the Google Play Store. Searching Facebook. Look, my Facebook app is already updated. Now go to Google Chrome browser. Log into your Facebook account in Google Chrome. Now click Facebook Post menu. Select your post from gallery. Now click Next. See here showing schedule options. Now you can set the time according to your schedule here, as per your wish. I hope you understand how to solve this.